get up. And then we're up. I'm just gonna give him medication if he hasn't had it already. And then I gotta load the car with this stuff. So I will see y'all when I get back. Because I'm not gonna take y'all because I got too much to carry out. So I will see y'all when I get back from high school. So alright guys, I'm back. I forgot that this week is Teacher Appreciation Week for my son's school. I'll get that Monday, you're sweet. Bring a pre-packaged sweet for your teacher. Oh, well, his birthday. Oh, today's not Monday, today's Tuesday. I forgot about it. But I will take them the teacher appreciation stuff that I did get them. Because I did get them teacher appreciation stuff. I just not doing any all teacher stuff that, that they're doing. I just have some things that I thought was adorable for the teacher. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all. This is, they're dusty. I've had them for so long. This is Teacher I Prefer Educational Rockstars. It's a grade book. I didn't know that. Oh yeah, it says grade book. I'm sorry. Teacher, a multitasking educational rockstar who lives to inspire and loves to encourage. They're kind of a big deal, and on the back it's like a dry eraser hanging sign, and then this one's my happy place is this classroom. It's like a chalkboard and whatnot. I thought that was cute. And then there's this apple one that says Teacher I Prefer Educational Rockstars, and it's a dry erase red apple. Alright, that's all that's in that bag. That's all stuff she can use for the classroom. And then I got them eat little things. It says Best Teacher Ever. This says Teachers is a work of heart. Teach, love, inspire. Best Teacher Ever. The influence of a good teacher can never be erased. Yeah. But now I gotta take this, I gotta wipe this out. But yeah, I got that one. And then the second one is like a paperweight, I think. And it says Best Teacher Ever. So yeah, I got these three things, this block, the apple, and the sign that says Best Teacher Ever, and then I got them some notebooks and like stuff they can use for the classroom. I mean, I don't necessarily have, stuff that I can give them besides maybe that thing, a box of cookies, and call it good. I mean, they are getting their own little goodie bags for James's party, which I need to text her that. I'm letting her know that there's a bag. I forgot to tell Miss Shelley that there is a bag in there that has specific stuff for the teachers, because the teachers, I didn't think the teachers would want, the PJ Masks stuff, so I did specific stuff for the teachers, specific candies for the teachers. I mean, they each get, like, they can choose what they want. It doesn't necessarily matter. They each got a certain set of candy, and then they each got 2 of the Kool-Aid things and whatnot. I just figured that they would want to celebrate him with him as well, and that they didn't want they wouldn't want the PJ Masks stuff. So I was just like, here's their little goodie bags, you know, the teacher little goodie bags. Alright, so I have shut down my computer. I actually decided to go ahead and shut down my computer. I got these things I need to put to those teachers. Oh crap, I hope that didn't work. Sit up there. They're not, this stuff that I got up here is not one to sit. They're not one to sit, but I'm thinking about laying down for a little bit and taking a small nap and watching a YouTube video real quick. So, I will see y'all when I decide to get up or do whatever. So, alright guys, so it was like 8 something, close to 9 o'clock when I laid down, and now it's noon. I did wake up and be like around 10. I went back to sleep, and I was trying to wait. I wasn't trying to stay asleep till noon, but that's what happened. So we are going to decide on what we want to eat, and then I might try to play the game. But yeah, I might try to play the game real quick before I have to go get my son, or before I have to get ready for work. So, or before I have to do my makeup and hair and whatnot. I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. Alright, so I'm trying to set you on a thing of wipes, but I'm eating popcorn. I got some Dorito Cool Ranch chips here, and I'm gonna play the game real quick. And so I gotta go get ready for. So I gotta do my makeup and hair for it, and go get my son from school. So, alright, I'm about to go get do my makeup and whatnot for work and whatnot. I'm eating my Doritos, and my Doritos. I'm finishing my Doritos, technically. I'm gonna cut this TV off. I'm not gonna play the game anymore. I'm done. And then I'm going to get my chips and my drink and then go do my makeup and hair for work. Now I try to do my hair and makeup before work, because when I get back with my son from school, I only have time to get dressed. I don't have time to do my makeup. So, I'm probably gonna take some of the stuff to the living room so I can take it, with me. So, I'm gonna take these bags with me and give them to the teachers. They got something going on. I don't know why the teacher appreciation week is 7 days. 5 days. Today's Tuesday, so it's cheers to you. Bring a gift or a drink. Alright, since I am waiting on time for me to leave to go get my son, I'm going to organize and re-update my wall of cases because I am deciding I want to redo my wall and I don't need to be on my computer anymore because I've decided I'm going to update my wall. That I want to do my wall. So, I'm going to take down all my cases. And I'm not going to do it by where I got them from. I'm going to put them by brand. Like Casemate, Coach, Plum Pretty, Sugar, iHome, Adidas, Mercury. Like I'm going to do it that way. Gear 4, Casemate. I'm not going to, these are pulling paint off my wall. I'm gonna go buy the brand and not the case. I just want to update my wall because I do have a few new cases that are more pretty to be, you know, on my wall than these. I am leaving my Velvet Caviar 2 cases up there, and I'm gonna put my Wildflower cases up there as well because they're Wildflower and they're online. My online cases are going to go up there. I'm going to put my Casetify case up there if I can find it. Next one that I want up there happens to be, I'm going to do the Casemate brand now and the Rifle Company, the Rifle Co. Company case brand. I'm going to do Casemate and Rifle Company now. So, Rifle Company. There's another one. Casemate. Another Casemate. First. Casemate. Where's my letters? Through case. Like. gonna come in here and yell? I'm video recording. So why you gotta yell? I am redoing my casement, my wall. Now I'm gonna do case 3 if I can find the other case 3 case. So my case 3 cases are there. Oh, we got one more. Kate Spade now, or actually let me go ahead and do my Coach case first, and then we're going to do Kate Spade. So Kate Spade's going to start with this white one. Because I have a bunch of like Kate Spade cases that are very pretty. And then we're going to move on to, I'm going to put my Walmart iHome case. I'm going to put my iHome cases back up here. I have one in here if I can get it out. I'm going to put my iHome cases up in there. I think I have another iHome case somewhere. It's black, but I don't know if I really want this one up here. Nah. I want pretty ones up here, so I don't necessarily want a whole lot of clear ones, so I'm going to take these 2 iHome cases down. I hope y'all are seeing this. I'm taking these 2 iHome cases off my wall. I kind of don't want them up there. I want pretty cases up there, and I have a bunch of like clear cases. But there's one case that I think is very pretty that I think should be up on the wall. And that's this Dabby Lee one. After Kate Spade, I have one iHome case I want up there. And then we're going to do Dabby Lee. And then we're going to move on to, we have one guest case. And we're going to put that. We're going to do the Sonic cases still. Because I love my Sonic cases. They're amazing. And then we're going to put the 2, I'm going to put my Lumi and my Autobox Pop Socket one. And then we're going to put my Gear 4 cases. So, I'm going to put these there. And then my Adidas case. My Adidas case up here. My clear cases are going to go up here. I'm not going to put this red, I'm not putting this back up there, I'm not putting this back up there, nor am I putting these 2 clear cases up there. You can put this case up there, it's from Walmart. I'm not putting this Walmart case up there, nor am I putting this Walmart case back up there, nor am I putting this Walmart case back up there. Nor am I putting these back up there. I don't want these up there. I'm not putting this one back up there, and I got this one at Burlington, so it's not a Walmart case. I'm gonna put this plum pretty sugar case back up here. I'm not gonna put this one back up there. I'm gonna take this marble case and put it up here. I'm going to take, I really don't have any more like pretty cases. I'm going to take this Heyday case from Target and put it up here. I'm going to take this pink Tech Rebellion case up and put it up there, and this one that's a 2-piece case that's clear with ombre up here as well. I'm going to put this camo case up here this movement camo case up here. You know it's clear. Actually, I've decided I'm going to put these two Walmart cases back up there, because they're very pretty to look at. I'm also thinking about putting this one back up there, so it's going to go there. I'm also thinking about taking out my Sun Buddy Sun Styled phone case that I got from this YouTuber friend. This YouTuber website that I bought from her, and putting it up there. It's just this, I forgot what the name of this phone case was, but I really do love it, and I want it on my wall. Okay, we're going to put these two iHome cases up there because I don't know where else to put them. So we're actually going to put them next to the other iHome cases right here. So we're going to move the Dabby Lane case, knee case, and the guest case down and put those two there. I really don't like the fact that most of my cases are clear cases, but like I can't help that. I bought clear cases a lot. I'm actually debating on what case. I only have one more spot for one case. And I'm thinking I'm going to put this, no. I'm thinking about moving the Sonic cases down to here and putting those two, one of those cases up there and put the iHome case up there. So I'm thinking about moving this Dabby Lee case over here. Putting the Sonic's case there, Sonic case there, moving the gas case over there, and putting the iHome case there, but switching it because it goes to the one that goes with Walmart. So, that, I believe, my guys, is my new wall. That's my new wall. It's updated and it looks more prettier. I'm going to take y'all over there to look at it. I got my velvet caviar cases up there as well as my wildflowers. Like, it starts off online orders. Like, my two velvet caviar, my two wildflower, my Casetify. And then it goes into the store ones. Like, I got this at Marshall's, Marshall's, Target, TJ Maxx, Burlington, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Target, TJ Maxx, Burlington, Target, TJ Maxx, or no, Marshalls, Verizon, Walmart, TJ Maxx, Target, Sam's, Burlington, TJ Maxx, Claire's, Walmart, Marshalls, Burlington, Target, Burlington, these two both from Target. This is an online order right here. It's a case from Sun Styled. When I got it with Sun Bunny, so she has switched her site to Sun Styled now. Walmart, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Burlington and Burlington. So it doesn't go, you know, like by store anymore. It goes by the brand. Like, I have online orders up there, and then I have one online order down here. And I'm thinking about switching this online order to be in the last case on my wall. So the way I know that that's the other online order. Like that. But then it goes from like Casemate and Rifle Company I put the two raffle paper companies together, and then the rest is casemate up until the case 3. And then you got your 3 case 3 cases, the coach, starting with Kate Spade. You got that one coach case, and then going into Kate Spade, all the way into iHome cases. Then you got that one Dabby Lee case, Lumi, one OtterBox case, into the Gear 4 cases, one Adidas case, 2 Claire cases, one Walmart, one Plum Pretty Sugar case. This is a Tech Rebellion case, I think, which it should be over here with those, but you got that Heyday case, the Sun Style, Sun Bunny case, Sonic cases, one Guess case, Walmart cases, one Movement case. This is a Tech Rebellion case. And then, I don't know, I think this is the Mercury case. But, yeah, it just goes, like, I mainly just wanted to do this because, like, I have a bunch of pretty casemate cases that I love. Like, this one, this one, this one. And then I love this one as well. Although I didn't keep it on my phone much. But I also wanted to, like, switch up my coach case from down here to somewhere else, and I wanted to move my wildfly cases somewhere else, and my case 3 cases, like, I just wanted to move my wall around, you know, but that's my wall now, updated cases and whatnot. So also, with that being said, with how long I stayed on the camera talking about my case wall, I have managed to make my camera die. So my camera is now flashing at me. I mean, it's not necessarily flashing. I still have some battery left on my camera. I still have some battery left, but then again, I don't want to take you with me to my son's school and expect my camera to not die on me. So therefore, I'm probably just going to leave the camera here. I might end my video now. I'm thinking about ending my video now, so I ain't gonna do it when I get back. I can just get dressed next. I'm trying to put on my shoes. These new ones I got that are from, that I got at TJ Maxx, have, like, they match, like, a lot of the outfits I have. I wear a bunch of, like, camo and black and white. But they're like camo gray and white camo shoes. They look almost like Vans or like thrown off Sperry's. But they're hard to get on, in my opinion. But yeah, give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below for more of my Perlo face, or comment down below what you want to see from my main channel and my vlog channel. And I will see you on my next video. And if you have not paid attention all day, I ended up having all my nails taken off. I broke one in the quick last night at work. I broke my pinky in the window because I was up front. And I'm hoping I'm up front again tonight, but I'm probably not going to be. But I broke it in the window last night, so my pinky hurts. So, and then I had broke this one off Sunday night, so my OCD kicked in and I pulled them all off last night. So I am nubless. I'm nubby until tomorrow. So, but yeah, I need to go get my son a cup of tea and get ready to go, because I need to go get my son. There's things I gotta do. So, I will see y'all in my next video. Peace, dudes. Peace.